I see the sun, the dawning of a new day. I bear witness that I was born to live this way. We are one through love and pain. We are one, yet our differences remain. This is our time. This is our year. This is our decade. The revolution is here. We are peaceful. We are united. We cannot be silenced. We cannot be divided. This is a movement of artistic revelation. This is a revival. This is an awakening. This is the creative works of an art world united. This is an open space and everyone is invited. This will be love manifested on the stage. This is the show and you can relate. This is poetry, music, dancing and singing, something for all, provoking emotion and thinking. Our time is now for creative and beautiful things, connecting our city and our world. This is the Artist Spring.